This morning, I woke up feeling absolutely terrible, low energy, tired, and honestly, I did not feel like doing anything. But before reaching out for medication or another cup of coffee, I decided to make something I grew up seeing used at home. If you have ever had one of those mornings where your body is not just cooperating, you will understand exactly how I felt. Luckily for me, I already had a few ingredients at home: fresh ginger, oranges, mandarins, lemon, mint, and a little honey. Nothing fancy, just simple ingredients that many of us already have in our kitchens. Ginger is probably the star of this recipe and is often used for its warming properties and is known for its anti-inflammatory compounds. The oranges, mandarin, and lemon add vitamin C and give the shot a bright, fresh flavor. The mint gives a refreshing taste, while the honey helps balance the sharpness of the ginger and citrus. And just like that, everything came out together into a fresh homemade ginger shot. The color alone made me feel I was doing something great for myself. Now for the moment of truth. Yep, still as strong as I can remember. Was it spicy? Absolutely. Did it wake me up? Also, absolutely. And honestly, sometimes taking a few minutes to take care of yourself is exactly what you need on days when you are not feeling your best. And remember, taking care of yourself does not always have to be complicated. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a little wellness inspiration. And subscribe for more simple recipes.